saja, warm wishes to all of you. Right now I'm with Miumiu. Hi! Here we are going to show you how to cook pentol with storyline. Squeeze!
This afternoon, I was going to see Miumiu in the garden, but she's not there. When I went around looking for her, I noticed something was moving behind the bush. I thought it was Miumiu playing with me. Then I got closer. Wait, I watched some stripes and suddenly a growl like "Oh my god! Tiger!" I fled as fast as I could. Oops! I think I've just passed by something. I turned back to check out what it was. I was shocked. It seems like Miumiu, but her eyes were blindfolded. Then I approached her to see what's going on. She told me that the tiger was her friend and they were playing hide and seek. We returned to see him and Miumiu introduced him as Jojo. He looks cool. Rain! 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 They shouted. What? Soil rain? Immediately, I found out where it came from and headed to investigate. Could you guess, guys, what I've just discovered? Coco was digging a hole on the ground. Then I approached and asked him. He told me that his friend just revealed a secret, guys. The secret of golden banana treasure buried underground. Really? Have you ever heard it, guys? Coco was in this golden banana mission. Amazing. And he asked for my help to discover it together. Okay, let's help Coco, guys. Being friends, we should help each other. Ooh, I discovered something. Look, here's something, isn't it? We dug it faster and I pulled it out of the ground. Coco was very happy to see it and he begged me to show it to you. We had a lot of surprises today. We continued digging and discovered another 2 more golden banana buried underground. Then we gathered back with Miumiu and Jojo. They were all happy to hear that news. Guys, let's congratulate Coco. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Coco! After a while, they were all hungry and I was confused. Miumiu offered me her carrot. Meanwhile, Coco his golden banana. But Jojo cannot eat both. I had a problem now. They were all totally sad. Though I was confused, I promised them to come up with a solution. And they were all glad to hear it. They all wanted to help me cooking, but it's too dangerous. They kept watching me and asking what the cook was. And really, I was thinking really hard. What should I cook? And 3 of them offered their help to peel and cook. They are so kind, guys. So I reminded them that the knife is so sharp and really dangerous. They understood and obeyed me, and then they decided to play in the garden again. I sliced the golden banana and diced the carrot. Then I put them into a 2 different bowl of water with a half teaspoon of salt each. The soak is only for 5 minutes to cleanse other residue. Suddenly, their sad expression came to my mind. Coco, Miumiu, Jojo. I thought to myself that I should cook something for them. Then I stood a golden banana and steamed a carrot at once in the same steamer for 15 minutes. I set my alarm and went watching them playing in the garden. Yo, everybody is good. Yo, everybody is good. Yo, everybody is good. Yo, everybody is good. Yo. But there, I didn't see Coco. Aha, he was on a banana tree. It's getting dark and the time is coming. And here in my kitchen, I diced 4 chilies, paprika could do if you want, and sliced 3 green onions. And put the cooked golden banana into a bowl and mash it well. Once it was mashed, compound the diced carrot and 1 teaspoon of salt and white pepper as well into it and knead it well. In Indonesia, we call this pentol, but I don't know if there is any type of food like this out there. Add 200 grams of starch and pour gradually 60 ml of warm water 2 or 3 times until it's less sticky on palm. This needs around 10 or 15 minutes. You could cook it at home if you like it, as Miumiu and friends loved it very much. When you got it, mold it into small balls, as big as yours perhaps. Here I got about 50 and more small balls. Then place them on the steaming rack with spaces among them and steam it over a medium-low heat for 15 minutes. And don't forget to cover the bowl of balls with foil. For Jojo, I didn't have any fresh meat here, so I stir-fried a half-canned grilled chicken with 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, and a half teaspoon of salt all together over a medium-low heat. And as it was half-cooked, added chilies, green onion, 1 teaspoon of olive virgin oil, and the balls, and then stir-fry it for around 3 minutes. Came to my mind, they were waiting for me. I must be quick. The best serving is when it's a bit cooling down around 2 minutes. You'll have the best bouncing ball dancing inside your mouth. The look is like lettuce meat and appetizing. The texture is chewy and soft. The taste is savory, juicy, and a bit spicy. For you who likes the spicy ones, you may add some more chilies. And for the aroma, certainly makes you fly.
Thank you for watching and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and smash that subscribe button. See ya.